Hey, hello and welcome to my new video. This is Abu Kalam, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to exactly create auto subtitle for any video. It's absolutely free. You can see this one.
कई लोगों का ये सवाल था कि नीचे जो ये ऑटो कैप्शन दिखाई दे रहा है ये मैं क्या
This one.
तो क्या आप भी अपनी वीडियो में इस टाइप के कैप्शन ऐड करना चाहते हैं तो ये वीडियो
This one.
क्या आप भी अपनी वीडियो में इस तरह के कैप्शंस को
This one.
Tell me about yourself.
You can any language: Bangla, English, Hindi, and Spanish, then Portuguese, French, any other language talk you, then this software convert it in English. It's absolutely free. You don't need any payment, you don't need any card requirement, and you don't need any login requirement here. So let's start. At first I'm going to Google Play Store, then search BLINK blank. Then this is a software you need to install here, but I have already installed. I am going to this app. Then here's the interface. This software continue with Google, but I recommend you don't need to log in, just skip. Then you need to import a video. This is portrait or landscape. Two type of allow, but I use reels video. I use this video. You can use any language and convert it English. This doesn't matter which language do you speak right now. So I select. Here is lots of option. You can generate any language here. Example of English United Kingdom, English India, English Australia, and etc. Brazilian language, Hindi language allow. But you need to click here for generate caption. I click here for generate caption. Just wait a few seconds. This video is processing. Now processing. Okay, I need to select a specific design and any others customization, and here is the AI caption. Just turn on at first, then go to style, then this is a bed. I change it to others, and then this one. Really good. And this person speak in Bangla language, but this software convert in English. And if you want to change any others talk, just go to reverse. Then you can change any language and any example of I want to delete in, just in. Then you can see this is really easy. Then if you want to change any other setting, just a plus sticker, and if you want to add a sticker, then this is possible. Then if you want to sound add AI sound add, just has lots of free song, then you can use your video. It's absolutely free. Then I need to click here for export. Wait a few seconds. 7, 9, 10, 11, 15, 16, 20. Just wait 15 to 20 seconds. It's depend on your network speed. My video are complete for view. Oh my god, just done. Then I want to play this video.
আমরা অনেক সময় বিশেষ করে মেয়েরা যখন রাস্তায় হাঁটে আমরা বলি একটু সরেন, আমরা দেখি মেয়েরা এটা বেশি ইউজ করে, ছেলেরা হয়তো দাঁড়িয়ে আছে বা কোথাও, তখন বলবা এক্সকিউজ মাই আস্কিং, মানে আমি জিজ্ঞেস করছি বলে কিছু মনে।
Wow, so if you want to more video about those type of AI animation, AI subtitle, and chat GPT, and everything is AI. I am Abu Kalam. See you next video. Thank you. Tata.